onto South Crenshaw Boulevard.
Okay, y'all, I'm over here in is this South Central LA?
Yes, sir.
Okay, South Central LA over here. And what particular neighborhood is this right here?
This High Park District.
Hyde Park.
District.
Okay.
We've been this. You gotta sit down and just film this. That means record everything. He's saying this. We both saying this. We landed shit, abandoned shit. The red shit. That's dead shit. I'm always in my head shit. I need bread quick, a loaf of bread. I'm bread quick, bread rich. You hear me? I fell down. So I said I'm loud and proud. Now that's some black and brown shit. I'm black now. I'm a black man. I am king. I got a ring, no, I got a beam. And shoot things. Martin Luther King, he's a dreamer, but I shoot clean. Malcolm X, he is strongest nigga, stronger than. Dr. King landed, found it, land. Boop, bop, bing, man. You see my nigga, he really got a gun, man. That's why he ain't gotta say nothing, son. You from Detroit?
Yeah.
Tell them what up, yo.
Okay.
Don't play no part. Hold on. This is Yo-Yo.
Okay.
Yo.
And that's Byers right there. That's Byers.
Okay, why don't y'all
right
tell
there.
everybody about a little bit about, was y'all born and raised in this,
Yeah, I
this
live
area?
right here.
Bro, for real,
This
for real.
used to be right here. This used
That's
to be
easy.
Blues right here.
That should be blue. Hey,
This used to be Blues right here.
See, that's
before
pink.
it's called
that was
Float.
the blues over there. Zoom in on that.
Before it's called Float.
How you doing, man?
It used to be called Penny Pinchers.
How you doing, man?
It used to be a
Yes,
gas
ma'am.
station back in the day.
You be safe, man.
You feel me?
You're beautiful, man. You're
That's
natural.
what they used to be.
You're not
And
so
then
woman. You're
now,
beautiful African
feel me, this is
queen,
what it
baby.
is. What it is
Feel
right
me?
now. Feel me?
Okay.
But right now we out here
Beautiful.
just trying to make sure everything
That's a
is
beautiful
good for our
lady.
peoples.
If you ain't just paying attention to what's going on, we telling you about our habitat.
Right. So
We're
what
we're
was it like growing up over here? I mean, you know, is everybody all one?
It's like
or is it
everybody else in the neighborhood. It's just a lot of struggle, a lot of stress in this neighborhood. I don't know. I didn't choose this shit genetically. We ain't
Okay.
stupid, bro.
Would you want to grow up anywhere else? Or you
Jesus made everything. I want to grow up everywhere
God put me
Jesus
right
made.
where I
God,
need to be.
He put us wherever we want to
Exactly.
be. Detroit, wherever. You just gotta. We all gotta follow the same thing. That's how we gonna come out with the same shoestrings. Hear me? I'm talking about two shoes. We can walk
Okay.
clean, walk better.
Okay, but in case people don't know, what do those blue handkerchiefs in your pocket? What that stand
Man,
for?
CRIP, nigga. Fuck dead people. Fuck the red, nigga. On 6 out there.
Okay. All right. So if you wasn't living here, where else would you want to live at? Would it be anywhere else?
I'm about to go check out Dubai in a little bit,
On
man.
6
You said
out.
Dubai?
I came
Yeah,
from Calabasas, nigga. I had this Crip rag on top of my head.
Dubai.
And in Calabasas,
I like
white
it.
people stopped and they gave me some money, like you about to do after this.
I'm internationally
bro.
known. Down.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I don't know how far back y'all go. Like, was y'all like?
I'm 1987. That's where I was born.
Okay. So what was this area like, say, today compared to say like 15
This
years
shit,
ago?
look, this shit was called Penny Pinchers, not Flow. You want to rap or you want to hear history though? I'm about to blow up like
And this
Hiroshima.
building right here?
Hiroshima, that's some real blow
Building
up.
right
That's
here
some
used
water.
to be a mortuary.
Water flow. I got water diamonds. No.
That apartment building?
Man, I got
used to be a
real
mortuary
diamonds.
right here.
On 60 dead people. I said fuck
Right
dead
here.
in the red. That's a red dot way in that corner.
be a mortuary
Fuck
right
dead.
here.
I got dreads. All them dead people were asking what we said. We ain't Chinese. We just need the yin now, yang, yang, Detroit. We Detroit bound. Ain't you said this documentary
What's
going to
the-
Detroit?
I mean,
Is this documentary going to Detroit? I'm speaking
it's
to the
going
people.
everywhere. It's gonna be on YouTube.
Everywhere. You the truth.
Okay.
We the people.
Okay, so let me ask y'all
love
this:
this
when you talk
Street.
about LA, what is this area like compared to other areas in the city? I always like, well, what is Watts like compared to over here? 'Cause I'm-
Well, way over here.
Man, y'all know what it is over here.
I'm way up. I'm too far.
It's Byers Sale. I'm hood.
We ain't
Pull
too
up.
far. We just don't want to go over there. That's too much of a risk. I carry
Right.
a gun. He got a gun. They gonna take us down. We don't want to do that. Tired of that.
Okay, y'all got any last thing y'all want to say? Y'all want to put out there, like
I
social
need my
media,
money.
anything
I
like
need my
that?
money.
God
Oh yeah.
bless the world. God bless the children.
Oh yeah. Hold on. We need
Everybody-
more weed. That's the commonest thing that they want
Make
to
sure.
claim as drugs. No, that's dumb as fuck. God put that comes out of the fucking ground. I don't know drugs come out the ground. Everything that's drug or kill people like that, where you inject it or sniff it or puff it, it comes out of a chemist. Hear me? Do you hear me? It comes from a chemist. I'm gonna say it again. I speak fast. I ain't got no friends. I'm from West Side End. I'm gonna give you everything one more again. All I do is I need friends. I need real friends. I need blue strip team members. Me and you, no I and him. We the members. Members only. Rolling 60s, I got a real rolling. That motherfucker glitter. That motherfucker glitter like a motherfucker. That shit glitter. And this was the Apple Watch. It's gonna take to tell the right time. Cause I need to be now, not never. Now I'm more clever, I'm better. I went to St. John's. I got an evangelistic letter. B-I-B-L-E, God said it better. He said do not eat the apple, that's the wrong tree. Fall from that letter. You hear me?
For people that don't know, tell them what the Rolling 60s is and what it's all about.
Man, it's an organization to save the blacks. I'm gonna say that. Back to back, started on Bryanhurst. That's it. It's like J.G. Wentworth. You know how J.G. Wentworth, that name? Fuck, I need some money. That shit go with the Rockefellers. You hear me? I knock you out today. Nigga, I ain't got no red rope or dope. That mean hang, so I can swing you low. I ain't no joke. Hi, baby. I miss you though. I really miss you.